Your brain is like a supercomputer, and your self-talk is a program it will run. So if you tell yourself you're not good at remembering names, you will not remember the name of the next person you meet because you program your supercomputer not to. And I always tell people that your self-talk is important, and it is the program that will run. And I always tell people to keep it positive, keep it empowering, because your mind is always eavesdropping on your self-talk.
What's up guys, it's your boy Saint again with another video vlog for Black Studios behind the scenes. And the highlights that you just saw was me kind of going back and reworking some of the stuff that I previously made for myself. I didn't really like the fit of some of the things that I had, so I wanted to rework it and kind of mold it more to like my likings. So that's what you guys saw. What we're gonna be working on now is another pair of pants. So I think I'm about to name these pants like the skeleton pants. I don't know why, it just kind of gives me that feel, that vibe. So I think I'm gonna go with that name now for the style of the pants that I'm making, with pockets out and the straps. If you haven't seen them, I'll grab them real quick. These are now going to be called the skeleton pants. I'm going to go with that. The ones with the flap and the straps. I made myself a pair with the black, and then I ended up dyeing it, so that's that one. Then I also made it in white, so this was the first original pair of the skeleton pants that I've ever made. This is the white one, see? And then it pleats all the way down to the bottom. It's a little wrinkly because I washed them and I haven't ironed them yet. So yeah, but I think I'm going to go with that name. So I'm gonna be making another pair for another client, and this one's gonna be in all black. So I already cut out all the fabric and I serged all the ends. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start sewing it together. And if you haven't seen my process before, I usually start with the pockets, but this time I'm gonna start with the straps, and then I'm gonna work on the pockets, the flaps, and all that jazz, so that we can get all the little things out the way before we actually start putting the pants together. So let's start that. Okay, so I just did a lot of things, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Here we go. Throughout the highlights, all you saw me do pretty much was I sewed the waistband, which is right here. I sewed the flap together. I sewed the back pockets, they're right here. These are the front pockets. And then I also just sewed the straps. So the last thing we gotta do is just put the pants together, which are right there. And then the flap, I said the flap, the fly front. All I gotta do now is I gotta sew the pants together and pretty much add everything together after that. So I'm gonna now attach, well, now now I'm gonna pleat the pants, and then I'm gonna attach the pockets onto the pants, and then the straps as well. And then we just gotta add the pants together, and then attach the waistband, and then the fly front, and then this will be a done project. So it's really simple. I've gotten the process down packed, so I'm not gonna keep repeating the process and showing you guys like individually each thing I sew. It's just if you want to go see that, go to the original video where I first did the pants. I believe it was like the second video that I made, if you really want to see the process put all together. But besides that, I'm gonna get to that so you guys can see what it looks like. What I've done now is I've literally just pinned up everything for the pants, pinned up all the pleats, and for the fronts I pinned up the pleats as well. This is one of the front pieces, and then I also pinned up the straps. So I'm just gonna sew all these pieces together. Now I'm gonna attach the pants, and then we're gonna just pretty much finish it up. So let's see if we can get it done today. I don't really got that much energy today, but hey, it's a new day. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on that right now for you guys. Let's do this. Just sewed up all the pleats. I've sewed up all the pockets together. Now I gotta attach the back part of the pants to the front part of the pants, and I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add the fly front and then the waist belt, and then this is gonna be a done project. So let's just wrap it up. You know, I like to just do this stuff kind of quick. No more explanations. You guys have seen this process too many times at this point. I just gotta do it. But like I said, if you want to see the process from the start of how to construct these pants, literally just go back to like the second video I dropped. I believe that that's the video that like I went through the details of how I create the pants and the construction and all that stuff. So let's just get on to it. Alright guys, so the pants are complete. Here they are. All I gotta do is just get the pants buttons on here, but I gotta fit it to the model. Whenever I have the time to do that, I'll fit it to her, and then these pants will be done and sent out. So these are good. Besides that, the fabric is coming in. I just got a notification telling me the fabric for the denim for the inside of the bag is coming in, so it should come sometime this week. So we should start working on that and probably have it finished by next week. I don't really have much else to work on besides that, except for some digitals. So yeah, we'll see what else I got to work on today or for the rest of this week. We'll see. What's up, y'all? So what you guys just currently saw was me sewing on the pockets into the inside of what the bag is gonna have. So when I made the sample like a while ago, if you guys want to go back to that video, I didn't actually make pockets for the inside, and my father actually gave me the good idea to actually add a pocket that you can hold stuff on the inside. So for the 3 bags that I am making, they're all gonna have a big pocket, and then they're also gonna have this little mini pocket as well that's gonna be on the inside of the bag. So I just did that, and then I just attached it to the denim piece. So now what we're gonna do is literally just do a stitch all around the whole border of each one of these panels. We're gonna start stuffing them, and then we're gonna start attaching all the other pieces so we can start making the face and the back. So I'm gonna start doing that right now. I'm not sure how long this video is, but we're definitely not getting these bags done this week. So definitely tune in next week for the rest of the bag. But I'm gonna just do that, and then we're gonna just call it a video. I'm cutting the video here. I'm tired, not gonna lie. It's been a very long week. Plus, it's my birthday weekend. Yeah, you can say happy birthday in the comments, whatever like that. The birthday already passed, it's Monday. My birthday was on Saturday. But what I will say is, what we do have here is the backs and the fronts all pinned up. I mean, all sewn up with stuffing inside. Just like the previous process that we did this for, I'm just gonna add all the pieces onto the front to make the face and the backs. This is the back, which is gonna have the pockets. So as you see, like I said, gonna have these pockets here that are gonna, you know, easy access pretty much. And yeah, I have all of them laid out here. All of them are all done, and I'm pretty much done here. I don't know why I'm grabbing all of them, but I'm showing you guys that I did it all. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe and all that jazz. Black Studios behind the scenes and everything. Make sure you share, you know, comment, you know, hype it up. I want to see that you guys are motivated just as much as I am. And like I said, if you don't want to be a designer, that's cool. Whatever you want to do in this life, do what you gotta do. But I'm just here to motivate you guys on a weekly basis, just let you guys know, like, get up and do some stuff. So yeah, again, link in the description for all the products that are gonna be purchased. These bags specifically. Remember when I told y'all last week that I didn't know when they're gonna drop? I feel like we're gonna finish them next week. So I'm gonna say at the end of March is when the drop is gonna happen for these bags. They'll be on the website for you to purchase. Again, there's only gonna be 3 of them. So if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. I don't know what to tell you. There's gonna be plenty of new products that are gonna be dropping for the rest of Black Studios' existence. So I don't know what to tell you. But again, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, all that jazz. And I'm gonna catch you guys. Y'all take care. It's your boy Saint, Black Studios.